everyone. So today I have got the Lookfantastic box. Mine looks like it's got little markings around. Can you see? I hope nothing's leaked. I've got the Lookfantastic box to unbox for you guys. And anyways, if you don't know what this box is, it's a monthly subscription box which ranges from £13 to £15 a month depending on what subscription you get. I pay £13 a month because I pay £13 a month, but I got a year's subscription, so I pay it monthly. But I got a discount because I got a year, so I'm like tied in for a year. Then on what you choose depends on how much you pay, but it's between £13 and £15 a month. And I do have a coupon code for Lookfantastic. It is an affiliate code. I'll put that on the screen here. That will give you a discount on your box, and it will give you a discount on a lot of items on the Lookfantastic website. But I do not get this box in PR. I pay for this box myself. We're going to get into it anyways. I'm quite excited. I got this pretty quick this month. I always find it a little bit awkward to open, but I'm getting the hang of it now, to be honest. Right, here we are. Yeah, we have it. And we've got our items. And right, so we've got a few little leaflets. I'm just looking for the little QER thing. Right, so let's have a look what we've got here. So the first thing we've got here is in some lovely packaging. Oh, it's KVD, so it's from KVD Beauty. So this looks like a full size. This is a long plus defined tube of mascara. Ooh, I love a mascara. This is full size, £22. You could get this or another mascara. I'm very excited about this. You could get this or the Sweet Beauty Lash Mascara, which is full size, £22. So they're both worth £22. This one is a tube of mascara and it's from KVD. I've never heard of the Swede brand. Can I get it up for you to show you the difference on the brush? This is what the brushes look like there. Hopefully that kind of worked for you. But I'm so excited about this. Oh, and the packaging is beautiful. I'm not going to open this because I'm going to keep it all nice and sealed. But I'll have an image of the wand here for you. It's like a proper image of the wand. Very excited about that. I mean, first item, £22. I'm just so excited. Then you could get one or the other on Murad products. Oh my god, they are killing it. So I got the Vitamin C Glycolic Brightening Serum. It's only 5ml, so it's not very big at all. But both ones that you could get are 5ml. So you could get this or the Dark Spot Correcting Serum. It says this vitamin C and glycolic acid serum helps improve the look of pigmentation and uneven skin tone for brighter, healthier looking skin. So that sounds really nice. And this is worth £15 even though it's only 5ml. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Yeah, that is so cute. But it is small. But like I say, they're saying it's worth £15. So, good brand. Then, oh my god, I wanted to try this. Now, this is a tiny size, but I've wanted to try this for so long. I'm so excited about this product. This Works Perfect Leg Skin Miracles. Oh my god, I'm so excited about trying this. It is a tinted multivitamin serum with caramel to prep, polish and glow. I've wanted to try this for so long because I'm so pale. And I've seen loads of people trying it last year and it was sell out all the time. I'm so excited. It's only a 20ml, but this is worth £8. I'm honestly so excited about this. If you would like me to do like a little short reel on this, I definitely will. Oh my god. And this is worth £8. It says, prep, polish and glow with this tinted body serum packed with vitamin C and improve this natural skin tone, whereas caramel improves the skin tone, where caramel adds a natural looking slight tan, transform dull looking winter legs to radiant summer skin with this hydrating, fast absorbing formula to take you anywhere. So excited about this, so excited about this. Then next we've got something from Trigwell. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. This is full size and it's worth £14. I'm going to have to hide this from my niece. I have bought these before. Oh, I have bought these before for my niece, but not for myself. You're getting 2 in all, so I may keep one for like as a stocking filler for her and keep one for me. These, I cannot believe this box. I honestly can't. It says it's essential for flawless skin. These velvet puffs seamlessly blend pressed powders into your skin, whether you're touching up at the airport or the gym. The teardrop point offers precision and maximum coverage, designed to fit all contours of the face, while the wider surface is perfect to bake and set. I'm so excited about this. Like, honestly, I'm so excited about this. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. I probably will keep one for my niece and have one for myself. I love that we got 2. I think when you buy them, you get 2. So I'm chuffed with that. Absolutely chuffed with that. And then then we've got another 2 products. Oh my God. So we've got the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster. And you know what? Normally I complain about this, but we haven't had it in a while. But normally I do complain about this. But this box has been so good. I'm not even going to complain about this. Everybody, if you're a beauty box subscription person, you've tried this, but it is worth £2.50, so it's a travel size, and it will get used at some point by someone. Next, we've got something from Avant. I haven't had anything from Avant in a while. Oh, it's a perfume. Thank you very much. I love a perfume. This is the Avant Quintessential Eau de Perfume 10ml travel size. This is worth £30. £30? You better smell nice. It says this invigorating fragrance evokes an air of sophistication created from the sensorial marriage of fresh flowers, warm and amber, zesty mandarin and sweet orange blossom, delicate and tantalizing aromas of jasmine and orris uplift, before gently delving into a creamy base, vanilla, nutty praline and earthy patchouli. Right, let's have a smell of this. And anyways, it's worth £30. I still can't believe that. Right, come on. That smells like a Victor. I think that smells like Lancome La Vie Stable. It smells like a perfume I've got. At first I was like, is that Victor Emerald Flower Bomb? But no, I think that smells like Lancome La Vie Stable. I really do. I haven't used Lancome La Vie Stable in a while because I'm using the Iris version at the minute. Like La Vie Stable Iris or something like that. I like the smell of it either way. It smells beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to run through this box. I paid £13 for this box. I'm sorry, I paid £13 for this box. I cannot get over how good this box is. Right, let's just go through it again. So we got this 10ml beautiful smelling fragrance. We got the Philip Kingsley thing. We got the 2 Trigwell powder puffs. The KVD Beauty Tubing mascara. I'm so excited about that. We got the This Works Perfect legs. Granted, it's only small, but it's enough to see whether you would like it, especially for my little short legs. And then the Murad serum. I'm sorry, this box, I honestly, the last couple of months I was thinking this box is amazing. They've done it better than the last month. I can't believe they've even got better, because I don't think Lookfantastic this year has been the best year for Lookfantastic, I'm telling you. If you haven't already and you want this box, subscribe. I'm telling you, the Trigwell sponges are more than this box cost me. I'm so shocked. Absolutely best box. Like, one of the best boxes we've had. I can't get over how good Lookfantastic's been recently. I really can't. Like, I can't. What do you guys think of this box? I cannot get over how good it is. Yeah, cannot. But that is the Lookfantastic beauty box for this month. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you guys think of this video? What do you guys think of this box? I'm pretty shocked, to be honest. Like, I can't believe how good it is. Yeah, if you haven't already, I do this unboxing video. I do unbox lots of beauty boxes, mystery boxes, advent calendars in that season, and I do lots of just random beauty type videos and a little bit of lifestyle. I would love it if you subscribe down below. And anyways, and yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.